All that is coming out of me is the barking of a dog, nothing else.
Hello and welcome to this dog barking. Today is my fourth day without alcohol, and it seems to be going slightly better than the last 3 days. I woke up surprisingly early this morning, and I could sleep by 2 a.m. last night, which is an improvement over the last 3 days. Yesterday's experiment was quite interesting. I was around people who were drinking, but I held myself back. I sat in the corner with a glass of lime juice, which is just an alien thing for me. It's just something I've never done before. I considered drinking today, but I held myself back. I reminded myself that I'm working towards a larger goal here, and succumbing to such a petty urge is just not worth it in the long run. The one thing I haven't been able to do is focus my energies on other stuff that I should be doing in the absence of drinking. I don't know whether that's just an inherent problem with me or whether it's some sort of a withdrawal time that I need to give myself in order to get back on track. But I am dealing with some deadlines, so I'll have to pull my socks up sooner rather than later. I can't tell you how much I hope for this experiment to succeed. I really want to be off alcohol, not be dependent on it, and hopefully reach a state where I can drink occasionally without having have to be dependent on it on a daily basis. And if that works, then hopefully someday where I can just have 2 drinks and put an end to it right there. So yeah, let's see how this goes. It's day 4, and that's not really a big achievement, but I do feel good about myself, so that's nice. Let's see what the future has in store. Wish me luck, and